Virgin Galactic breaking news. I've just put out lots of great information. I say great information. I shouldn't really say that. Sounds a bit like great information. It was great information, though. It was provided by Richard Durant, who I gave my reaction to. But also this morning, some more great news out for the stock, because we've got repeat business in the experimental world, which means they're much more expensive flights, much more profitable. But now, for the very first time, it has happened. The stock has gone under a market cap of 200 million. In fact, the market cap now is 194 million, dramatically undervalued for the cash, the assets, the goodwill, the customers, the future business. Even if you don't value it at all, and if you don't think it's going anywhere, and that's fair enough, you can come to that conclusion. There are a lot of risks associated with Virgin Galactic, but there's no doubt about it. It is undervalued if you look at the business, the current cash balance, the future business, the deposits to be paid, and all the goodwill around the business. There's only one problem with Virgin Galactic. Nobody believes anymore in the management. The more and more we talk about this, no one believes in it. I've just had, as you know, my interview with Bloomberg. You'll be hearing all about that shortly. But I can tell you, no one is impressed with the management. The big players, the big investors want management change, and they want it now. The stock price keeps going down, and it shouldn't be down today, because if we look at the overall portfolio, I'm beating the market again. This is my overall balance, 97,693. We are 6 days away from our third birthday on the show, and I'm going to be at $100,000, even though I lost $30,000 with Virgin Galactic. Why is this happening? It shouldn't be happening. Virgin Galactic today has some great news. I've just put out some news on Virgin Galactic. You have to go and see. Let me share with you what I've just done. The past and the future. Do you like my new thumbnail? I designed that myself. No AI, by the way. I do it all myself. Just in case anyone cares. Past and future, just put it out. Very important news. A full 30-minute documentary style video with all the facts, all the information you cannot afford to miss. And just some moments ago, I did it before the show started this morning. Virgin Galactic in the money. Great news, great business. We've got some really good news for Virgin Galactic. Very good news indeed. I know the risks are there. They are. But with great risk comes great reward. No doubt about it. It's still extremely risky. It still might go bankrupt. There's no doubt about it. It could easily go private. No one's really helping the business anymore. The potential now is huge with good management to propel the stock and serve the investors. No one likes Eric Kearney. He is disliked amongst the investors. I would hate to be him when he picks up the phone and phones an investor. Nobody wants him in that role anymore. And you'll hear about my interview on Bloomberg very soon as well. So look out for that. So there you go. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. What a shame to see Virgin Galactic go down like this when there's absolutely no need for it at all. Over here, I will put the video I've just recorded, which is the news in the money video, and down here I'll put the playlist, which will include past and future. You cannot miss that video. It's all the information you need for you to decide whether it's a good investment or not. Is up to you. Remember, I'm not in it. I only own the S&P, but I'm looking at it increasingly more every day, thinking, should I get back into this stock? As yet, no, because there's too much negative sentiment. I know there are hundreds of people waiting to buy when I buy. That sounds a bit arrogant, doesn't it? But it's just the truth, and this channel is about the truth. I get lots of emails, lots of messages saying when you buy and you announce that you've bought live on the show, we're buying in. Over here. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.